this prior to our last hearing.
Mm-hmm.
I thought we were going to set it for about 90 or 120 days. So,
Okay, we're on YouTube, so I thought we were already asked. Had you all not already asked for a trial date?
Your
No.
Honor, this is the one where Mr.
City.
Hoagland's client's dealing with the city
Yes, uh-huh.
on that project. I think we were asking for it. We did at one point, but some new stuff came up. So I think we were asking for a trial date like spring of next year.
I just pulled it up right now in Odyssey, and I thought we had a trial setting. That's why I thought this final status was, I thought we had discussed that already. Okay, well, let's wait for Mr. Hoagland for just a minute, see if you're talking about spring of next year, then I would like to set the full trial track because that coincides with what we would be setting at this time. I don't want to push it any further if you want to.
Yeah, because Judge, we had a trial date of the 31st in a couple days, and we canceled that. But I don't think we canceled the docket, the status conference for today.
Okay, I may have just made the docket call a final status. Well, in any event, we'll wait just a little bit. Good morning, everyone. This is Judge Elisa Perez presiding over the 210th District Court Civil Docket for May 29th, 2024. All matters being heard today are being heard in accordance with all directives regarding remote proceedings. In addition to that, we are streaming all matters live via YouTube for public viewing. Mr. Nanez, would you call our first case, please?
Now calling docket 2022 DCV 3206 Adelina Batiste et al. Versus Miranda de Santiago et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Mario Yagui on behalf of the plaintiffs.
Morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. It's Randy Gramling for the defendant.
Good morning. Entry of judgment, how are we doing?
Judge, we were waiting for the checks from Mr. Gramling's office that had to be reissued because of a mishap from our office. Those checks have been reissued, received, and deposited into our IOLTA account. So we will be disbursing our client this week, and then we will file our dismissal documents.
Okay, I'll set it for status in 2 weeks. If we have our dismissal documents, great. Now we'll check in with you. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Gramling.
Thank you, Your Honor. Have a nice day.
You too. Who's next? Mr. Gramling, do you have anything else? No, okay.
Mr. Hughley just logged on.
Okay. Let's go ahead and call the next one, please.
Now calling docket number 2022 DCV 3543 Francisco Cota et al. Versus EP Vida LLC. Announcements, please.
Your Honor, Michael Shane on behalf of the plaintiff.
Corey Hoagland on behalf of the defendant.
Good morning. Final status conference. I misremembered, thought we already had a trial setting. I do remember this case. Are we looking for a trial setting, Mr. Hoagland?
I mean, I can't, my client's trying to get their contract put together with the city. They're back on track, supposedly, but I don't know if the contract's signed. I don't know when the financing's coming into place that's going to pay Mr. Shane's clients.
So in terms of, I just misremembered. I'm legitimately saying that. I thought we had a trial setting already because I thought we discussed it. Again, I don't have an issue if you all want one more status conference, if it's going to make a difference, say in 90 days. But the more we keep doing that, if things fall through, it keeps pushing back a trial date. So, I'll go with what you all tell me. You all know your case. So,
Your Honor, I think let's just set it for the spring of next year, and then we won't have to keep coming back with the court. And by that point, we're going to have to, if we don't have it settled, we'll just go do something. We'll do the trial. It's going to be a bench trial, I believe. So,
okay. Mr. Hoagland, I'll tell you, well, for both of you, that we're probably not quite at spring. It's probably closer to summer at this point. Mr. Hoagland, are you good with that?
I am, Your Honor.
Okay, let's do June 21st. Wait, no, wrong calendar. June 20th. Oh, well, it's one day after Juneteenth. So June 20th. But you all are saying a bench trial, is that right?
I'm okay with that.
I didn't ask for a jury, Your Honor. I can't remember if Mr. Hoagland did or not, but
I may have asked for it in my pleading, but I certainly haven't paid a jury fee.
Okay.
And I'm okay with us trying it to the bench.
Okay, so we'll do the 20th. The 19th is a holiday. Same old procedure, same procedure we always do. We're going to circulate a scheduling order. If you all will complete it, return it to the court with that date in mind. Understand as we get closer, I will confer with you all before, in the hearings leading up. If for whatever reason we may need to tweak that date, it will not be far off from that date, but I'll confer with you all to make sure you have availability. For now, it is set on the 20th. Okay.
thank you, Your Honor.
Sounds
Thank you for
good,
showing
Judge.
up. Have a good day.
Thank you,
All
Your
right,
Honor.
thank you. And Judge, just on another matter, I hate to delay everybody else. I've been requested by several judges to send letters. This is Mr. Shane. Several judges send letters about my mediation practice, so you should be getting that next
Oh,
week.
interesting. Thank you very much.
All right, thank you, Judge. We excused?
Yes, sir. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Okay. Is Mr. Ramos here? Yep, Mr. Ramos and Mr. Jessup.
Yes, ma'am.
Go ahead.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning.
Morning, Judge.
Calling cause number 2023 DCB 2959 Nicole Nunez versus Noah I. Favela et al. Announcements, please.
Rod Ramos for the plaintiff. Cliff Jessup for defendants, Judge.
Good morning. Scheduling status conference. Are y'all ready to get a scheduling order in place? Trial date?
Actually, Judge, I recently settled a third-party claim on this with Mr. Jessup's insurance. For policy limits, I'll be adding Allstate for an underinsured motorist claim.
Okay. Okay, so let's do a reset of the scheduling conference 30 days, or should we do a little more? Probably 45 days.
Once I get that amended, filed, served, and then their time to answer. Yeah.
Okay, I'll check in with you in 45 days.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Jessup. Do you have anything else? Do either of you have anything else?
I do, Judge, but I think I don't know what time your next one is. I think it's on the next.
Okay, sounds good. Thank you, Mr. Ramos.
Thank you.
Who's next? Let's see. Mr. Nunez, were you talking?
Mr. Atmore, are you there? Yes, ma'am. We have a top of page 3.
Yes, good morning. How are you?
Morning, Judge.
Morning.
U.S.
Top
Trust
of-
Bank.
Oh, okay. And it's Mr. Atmore? Okay.
Yes, for Miss.
Yes,
Mary.
Your Honor. I'm standing in for Miss Acapo. She's out of the office this morning.
Okay, this one is set at 10:15. We're slightly early. Go ahead. Go ahead.
Hi, Your Honor. My name is William Atmore. I'm
Let me
appearing on behalf of.
call it, sir.
We'll
Sure,
go ahead and
sorry.
call it so we can get on the record. Thank you.
Now calling docket number 2024 DCB 0321 U.S. Bank Trust National Association et al. Versus Ruben Mata et al. Announcement, please.
William Atmore on behalf of the petitioner, U.S. Bank National Association.
Have we had any contacts, and I'm asking my staff, from either a Ruben or Lily Mata? Or is there anyone here on behalf of Ruben or Lily Mata? All right, Mr. Atmore, we're set for a motion. Your application was filed back in January. Go ahead, you were speaking.
No, I was just I agree, Your Honor. We filed our application for an expedited order of foreclosure back in January, based on a default of a Texas home equity security instrument that occurred in August of 2023. We provided notices of default. Our clients provided the notices of default with the hopes that the respondents would cure. That did not happen, so we proceeded with the application filing.
Mr. Atmore, let me ask you, I had a quick notation. I didn't.
Sure.
A lot of detail. It was late yesterday, but I did see, I noticed, let me see. It says The application was served on the defendants on January 18th, but Odyssey was reflecting that they were unserved. Let me go.
I noticed that as well. But service under the TRCP 736 is just it's basically effectuated when the clerk drops it into the custody of the postal service, Your Honor.
Irrespective of if it's returned, that's
unfortunately, yes. Yeah. Unfortunately, that's the way the statute's written.
Okay. All right. Anything else?
No, Your Honor. We haven't had any communication that I could determine from Mr. and Mrs. Mata. We proceeded with filing the motion for default judgment back in April, and we're here before the court this morning seeking an order of foreclosure, allowing my client to proceed with enforcement of their lien.
Okay.
And that's all I have to say. Thank you.
That'll be granted. What I'll tell you, Mr. Atmore, is if you have previously forwarded an order, I don't have it, at least in a recent email. So if you would re-forward the order on your motion to Ms. Hernandez's attention, it's my.hernandez@EP County, then they'll forward it to me and I'll sign off on it, okay?
Thank you very much. I appreciate your time.
Okay.
May be excused?
You may.
Thank you.
Okay, who's next, Mr. Hernandez? And you're muted if you're talking.
Yes, ma'am. Mr. Hirsch, are you there?
I'm here.
On page 1, Judge. On the page, Sandoval Properties.
Okay. I keep getting these error messages. I'll call it calling cause number 2023 DCV 2990 Sadova Properties 6 LLC versus Elizabeth Ogas. May I have announcements, please?
Good morning, Your Honor. Michael Hirsch on behalf of Sadova Properties 6. Ready to proceed?
Okay. Oh, we're set for a status conference. Where are we on this one? Let me look at my notes. She was served back in September 2023. This was filed in September. Mr. Hirsch, any contacts? Is there anyone here on behalf of Elizabeth Ogas?
Judge, we have not been in touch with her. And on this one, I've got my motion for default ready. I haven't filed it because my client is trying to mitigate. So as it's not the full acceleration, but we haven't had much luck. So I will most likely be getting that on file with the affidavit. Not by the end of the month, but within the next couple of weeks for sure.
Okay, I'm going to reset the status for 30 days. If you file anything, let us know and request your hearing on it, okay?
Judge, and then I apologize for logging in late. I don't know what Zoom was doing on my computer, but
I didn't notice it, Mr. Hirsch, but thank you. Have a good one if you don't have anything else.
Thank you. May I be excused?
You may. Have a good day.
Thank you. You as well.
Okay, next.
Judge, I need a second to find out what the other attorneys are here for.
Sure.
If you want to give me a second, I'll line them up and I'll let you know when they're ready.
Thank you.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. Hello, Mr. Bulk.
Yes, sir. Sorry. I'm here for the Roque case. It is, let me just pull it up real quick. I apologize. 2023 DCV 3127. It's 11:30. I'm a little early.
127.
It's for Mountain Time, Mr. Bailey.
Who are you coming for, Mr. Mandel or Mr. Taylor?
For Mr. Taylor. We represent the defendants in this matter, sir.
Okay. Mr. Brooks.
Yes, I'm here for a status conference for Cecilia Moreno.
What's the cause number?
Cause number is 2022 DCV 0396.
96.
It's page 3.
96. Are you here for?
I'm here for the plaintiff, Moreno.
All right.
And I'm going to be here for the defendant, Murillo, on that matter.
Okay. Thank you both. And Mr. Montoya?
Yes, sir. I'm here for cause number 2022 DCV 3599, a status conference.
I'm here for the same conference.
Fine. So you're covering Mr. Montoya for whom?
Defendants. And for Mr. Rincon.
Okay, and who else is on this case?
I'm covering for Ms. Liberati, plaintiffs, Rolando Morales.
Okay, so we're ready on that one. Let's see. Mr. Smart.
Good morning. I am here on, it's Wells Fargo versus Juan Cano,
Can you give me the last four of your cause number?
3100. And that'll be super quick because we actually reached a settlement yesterday on it. Just, I'm going to ask the judge for some time to get that finalized into the court.
Okay, is there opposing counsel going to appear?
I don't believe so, again, because we've settled on it, so.
Okay. Let me see if the judge is available.
I'm here. We can get started.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's just start with page 3. I think that's where we're.
Page 3.
Mhm.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, I'm sorry. Page 2. Page 2.
Yes, ma'am. We're ready for that.
Go ahead.
Calling cause number 2022 DCV 3599. Myrna Yolanda Quinones et al. Versus Greenwood Motor Lines Inc. et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rolando Morales for plaintiffs.
Good morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. Amado Montoya for defendants.
Good morning, gentlemen. We're set for final judges conference today. Looks like we have a trial in August. How are we doing? We still on track?
So far as I know, Your Honor, we are set for a second mediation on July the 23rd with Judge Villa at 1:30.
Okay. July the 23rd. So that's beyond the mediation deadline. That's fine. I know it's difficult to get scheduled. We have our final civil pretrial. Is there anything else outstanding? Or are we just kind of, I'm thinking if we need to come in for that final civil pretrial, or if I can kick it back. And the final civil is the end of June. Okay. No, not
No,
here.
Your Honor. There's nothing really pressing. You know, we're just proceeding with depositions, and then that's it.
So I'm going to cancel the final civil pretrial. Your docket call is on July 31st. You said you all are going to mediation. What we're going to do is reset the final civil pretrial for, what am I looking at? July 24th. So cancel the June 26th setting, and we're going to set it for July 24th at 10 a.m. And you're going to come in so happy because you all resolved it and you off the trial docket. Or you're going to have everything ready to go to trial. All right. Thanks, gentlemen. Please notate your calendars. We'll do the same. If you need a hearing outside of that, please email your filed pleading and request your hearing, okay?
Thank you, Your Honor.
Have a good day. Thank you. Who's next?
Judge, page 3. We have Cecilia Moreno.
Okay.
Okay, now calling cause number 2022 DCV 0396. Cecilia Moreno versus Ariana Murillo. Announcement, please.
Scott Brooks, Your Honor, on behalf of the plaintiff, Cecilia Moreno.
Sebastian Uribe on behalf of the defendant Ariana Murillo.
Good morning. We're set for final judge conference. I have a notation. We also have an August 2nd trial, and your final civil pretrial is the end of June. How are we doing?
I think we're progressing well, Your Honor. Defendant's deposition was already taken. We already mediated the case. Plaintiff's deposition is June 18th. And so I believe we should be able to get, any experts done if we can't reach a resolution, but I think we're doing pretty well.
Okay. You all have that same trial track. I am going to leave your June 26th setting as is. I'll check in with you then, see how we're doing, okay?
Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you for your time. Again, same thing. Anything needs a hearing outside of the ones we already have, please request it via email with your pleading, okay?
Yes, Your Honor.
Take care, gentlemen. Have a good day. You're excused.
Thank you.
Likewise.
Who's next?
Same page, Judge, Wells Fargo.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Okay, let's just call it real quick. Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Calling cause number 2023 DCV 3100 Wells Fargo Bank NA versus Juan Cano. Announcements, please.
Carl Smart on behalf of Wells Fargo.
Mr. Smart, I have us down for a status conference. I did see that you had filed a motion to retain, but I heard you tell my bailiff this case has been resolved to some extent.
Yes, we reached an agreement yesterday, basically. We just need some time to kind of get that papered up and back to the court. So it should be all done and fairly simple.
How much time do you anticipate?
60 days, just it takes a minute to get it through Wells Fargo and then back through OC and back to us, so.
Okay, I'll reset status for 60 days, anticipating we'll have some word. If you have something for us ahead of time, obviously we just can't.
Okay.
Thank you very much. You're excused. Have a good day.
Thank you, Your Honor, you too.
Okay, who's next?
Same page, Judge, at the bottom, Irma Fong.
Okay.
Calling cause number 2023 DCV 3123 Irma Fong versus City of El Paso County, Texas Deputy Director for Building Permits and Inspections. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Jason J. Lemke, Assistant City Attorney on behalf of the city.
I had a notation here, Mr. Nines, I think this is what I was mentioning to you. I just didn't quite remember it. But we had a notice, a notice of conflict on plaintiff side. There's nobody here on behalf of plaintiff, right? Mr. Lerma or anyone?
I saw Lerma on earlier, Judge.
Oh, okay. There's a, I did look at this one. Let me pull it up. There is a notice from April 17th. I don't know if it was forwarded to us, but it was filed with the clerk's office, notifying us that the attorney had a vacation certificate on file that predated our setting and asked for a reset of this hearing. So I mean, that's good enough for me to have it reset. Mr. Lemke, I know you're here. I don't know if you had conferred with Mr. Lerma on this.
Judge, we just got an e-filing regarding that, but we never got a continuance. I would have signed off on a continuance or a reset form. We never got that, but I have no problem with the court resetting it. I just asked the court if we could have like a quicker status conference. There's an order from the building commission to knock down a rock wall. The rock wall is in dangerous condition right now. So I would just ask the court if we could have a quicker judges conference, just where we can talk about the issues.
Mr. Lerma had attached his vacation certificate, includes several dates. So it was Mr. Lerma here, Mr. Nunez?
Yes, I checked off when I saw Lerma earlier.
And it was Mr. Lerma, not Miss Lerma?
I'm not exactly sure, Judge.
Mr. Lemke, let's hold on just a second.
Okay.
Miss Jasmine or Mr. Nunez, if one of you all can call their office. I was prepared to reset it, Mr. Lemke. I just want to let you know that looking at this vacation certificate, it looks like the entire month of June is listed as their vacation certificate.
Okay.
So I don't know when you're saying have some type of conference fairly quickly. I mean, we're probably, based on that, if I'm looking at that, we're probably looking at July. So
Yes, sir.
what
I
is
have no
it
problem. I would have
you
no
need?
problem for that if the first available on the court and recording his vacation certificate.
Okay, let me have my staff take a stab at seeing if they were here earlier. I didn't expect anybody to be here. To
Okay,
see
thank you, Your Honor.
if they'll log in. Okay, so just hang tight. All right.
Okay, thanks.
Next.
Page 5, Judge.
Mm-hmm.
It's Marcos Fino. Calling cause number 2023 DCV 0325 Marcos Fino Sr. et al. Versus Raul Alberto Orozco et al. Announcements, please.
Jeffrey Borshaw for the plaintiffs, Your Honor.
Morning.
And Brock Akers for the defendants, Your Honor.
Good morning. We're here for a scheduling status conference. Are y'all ready for a trial setting? Looks like we've had this for a minute.
We're not. There's a still pending criminal matter, and while that remains pending, discovery is difficult because of Fifth Amendment rights.
Okay. I don't see that we've had, yeah, this is our first setting. Is it a criminal case here in El Paso?
Yes, Your Honor.
Do we know a timetable? Do we know any dates on that case?
My son handles the criminal part. I don't. So that may be known. I don't know it though. I'm sorry to tell you.
Okay. I hate to push this down the road so much further. I mean, I could certainly give you a trial setting that was far down the road enough that you all could maybe plug in some realistic deadline dates, things of that nature. It's our first setting for a scheduling status conference, so it doesn't really give me a lot of heartache to reset you, say, for 60 days. But beyond that, I think we need to possibly look at a timetable with as realistic as we can get, because the court docket will get busy quickly.
Yeah,
Okay.
if I can make a suggestion, Your Honor, 60 days is, I think, plenty of time. We could come back even sooner for a status conference, and maybe Mr. Akers would have some information from his son as to when the criminal trial is set. And then we could give the court some more guidance on when we think we could complete some discovery and try this case.
Do you know a cause number? No.
I can look up the cause number, Your Honor, if you'll give me a minute.
Okay.
Judge, in regard to Mr. Lerma, he informed me that he's going to be running a little bit late, maybe about 10-15 minutes.
That's fine. Thank you.
So, Your Honor, there are 3 different cause numbers.
Any one of them I can look up.
2023 OD 04227. I guess that's 0D0 4227.
Oh, it's specially set on August 23rd. So, and there's no setting preceding that. So I thought I was being generous with 60 days. We're going to go further than 60 days. We're going to come back in September. Okay. We're going to come back September. September 18th. We'll reset the status conference, the scheduling conference for September 18th, 2024 at 10 a.m. Okay.
Very good. Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thanks for your time. Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Who's next?
Page 3, Judge. Jose Kennard. Calling docket number 2023 DCV 3001, Jose Kennard versus Alfredo Arredondo et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Charles Rimmon on behalf of plaintiff.
Good morning.
Cliff Jessup for defendants, Judge.
Okay,
Good morning.
scheduling status conference. Trial? You all want a trial?
We've recently done written discovery and we set the plaintiff's, I think, deposition as of today for September. So I guess we can work from a trial setting if you want us to do that, Your Honor.
If y'all are ready for it, then yes. I feel like we're setting stuff and things are filling up. So let's go to June 6th. We'll get you the scheduling order, include your mediator, fill in all the dates, return it to the court, and we'll get your hearing set. Anything outside of those dates, please request your hearing via email with your pleading. Okay.
I'm sorry, did you give us a trial date?
June 6th.
Okay.
June 6th, the docket call will be June 4th, about 30 days before that, your final civil pretrial, your mediation deadline, and then all your
Of
other.
2025.
Yes. You mean you're not ready next week? You want to go next week? Yeah.
That'd be speedy trial for sure.
It's stressful enough, Mr. Ruben, when I think about it. I just try to ignore. We're talking about 2025. I feel like we had one where I said it in September maybe, and I was
Judge.
Monday.
Sorry, actually, the civil date, the earliest we have is July 17th.
July 17th. There you go. Wow. July 17th? That's a Thursday. In 2025, is that what we're talking about? Yeah, I think that's like the next for regular settings, but for trials in 2025, the only time I feel like I've said June on some of these civil cases has been today. So we're going to stick with that June 6, 2025 setting. Okay.
Sounds good, Judge.
All righty. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Charleston.
Okay, y'all are excused. That's it. That's all you have, Mr. Jessup?
That's all I have, Judge.
Have a good day. Okay.
Thank you.
Who's next?
Page 6, Judge.
Go ahead.
Now calling docket number 2023 DCB 3127 Maria Lucas et al. Versus Simon Properties Group Texas LP DBA Cielo Vista Mall et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Judge Calmando for plaintiff.
Morning.
Good morning, Your Honor. David Blug on behalf of defendants Simon Property and Schindler Elevator.
Okay. Scheduling status conference. Let me ask a status first instead of me saying, hey, you want a trial and let's go to trial and get your scheduling order. How y'all doing?
Judge, we're probably ready for trial if it's going to be in June of next year. Written discovery is complete. We deposed, Mr. Baluk deposed my client. I haven't deposed any defendants yet. We're going to try to mediate it in August and see if we can get it done before doing any further discovery.
So if you had like all your wishes granted and you wanted a trial setting, when would you, I'm not, my June settings are kind of the ones that are, yeah, we're just starting off. But I'm always happy to try and accommodate a setting that is earlier than that. If I wait until you hit your mediation, though, that'll still push us too far back. So if you want an expedited trial setting, I'll certainly find one for you.
I don't think we need an expedited one, Judge. I think the June 2025 is going to be fine.
Okay.
And I'm very optimistic we can settle the case.
Okay, so June 6th it is. With your docket called June 4th, you all know that the drill will circulate, scheduling order, mediator on there, get your dates, and return it to the court. Okay, anything outside of those dates, let us know if you need a hearing, okay?
Thank you, Judge.
Have a good one.
Thank you, Your Honor. Thanks, Cal.
Take care, guys. Bye-bye. I saw Mr. Lerma. Is he still here?
He just showed the on.
Mr. Lemke, are you there? Mr. Lerma, are you there as well?
Yes, Your Honor, I'm here.
Thank you, Mr. Lemke. Let me see if Mr. Lerma's on.
Let me ask him to unmute, Judge. Mr. Lerma, could you unmute?
Give him another minute, Mr. Lemke. I'm sorry.
Okay, no problem.
Judge, I need a second to
okay.
Find some more attorneys because I don't have the rest unclear. Hello. Is anyone here for Hushang Shirazi besides Mr. Carter?
Yes, Judge. Yes, I'm here for that.
Okay. Ms. Varela?
Let me just, Ms. Ferris, the hearing was at 10:30. Are you here? You're here on 3100 Wells Fargo versus Juan Cano?
Yes, Judge.
Okay, the hearing already happened.
I logged in at 10:30.
We called it, right, Mr.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I don't recall seeing this cause number when you were logged in. Was there a response or anything on the motion?
I have it as set for a status hearing for today.
Oh, my apologies. I'm getting this one confused with another one. This, yes, it was set for a status. Mr. Smart indicated there had been a settlement and we reset it for 60 days. My apologies, Ms. Ferris. I had
Okay.
to confuse with another hearing. And I was like, wait a minute.
Scared me.
Sorry.
So I didn't think there was a motion to be heard today.
Okay.
Okay, Judge. Well, thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Sorry about that. Okay.
That's all I had. Maybe excused.
You may have a good day.
You as well. Thank you.
Eva, are you there? Híjole.
Oh.
Mr. Lemke, good morning, Mr. Lerma.
Good morning, Your Honor. I apologize.
No,
I'm at the doctor's office and
I am so sorry. Here, I was reviewing the docket late yesterday, and that's when I came across. Let me go ahead and call it very quickly, if you don't mind.
Yes, ma'am.
Let me see. Calling 2023 DCV 3123 Irma Fong versus City of El Paso. May I have announcements, please?
Eduardo Lerma, Your Honor, on behalf of Irma Fong, F-O-N-G.
And Your Honor, Jason J. Lemke, Assistant City Attorney on behalf of the City of El Paso.
Thank you, counsel. Mr. Lerma, because I reviewed this very late, I had not seen, and I don't know that we had been alerted to your notification back in April. You having a vacation certificate on file for this setting. So I was fully prepared to reset it, but they had mentioned you had logged in. And so I said, if there's a chance we can chat at least, then I don't want to continue it. So we're happy that you came back, although I am not proceeding on any substantive matters today. Mr. Lemke had mentioned we did not see a motion for continuance, and he was agreeable to a reset, but he did request a conference. So the soonest I can have this case set for conference basically would be a reset is in July. I'd be looking at July 23rd.
That's fine, Your Honor.
That's fine, Your Honor.
Okay, July 23rd at 10:30 a.m. Mr. Lerma, Mr. Lemke, thank you for your patience. Mr. Lerma, my apologies for not having seen that sooner. Have a good day.
No,
thank you, Your Honor.
No problem. Thank
Have a
you,
good
Your
day,
Honor.
Judge.
Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.
Have a good day, Your Honor. Thank you.
Yeah.
Bye, Mr. Lemke.
Bye, Mr. Lemmer. Take care.
Okay. Who's next?
We have on page 4, Judge. Now calling docket number 2023 DCV 3228 Hushang Shirazi versus Michelle Vanessa O'Leary et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Thomas Carter for Mr. Shirazi, the plaintiff in the case.
Kristen Varela for the defendant.
Good morning, counsel. We are set for a status conference. I pretty much am taking this as a scheduling status conference so we can get a trial setting. How are we doing?
Judge, it's my understanding that we have a settlement in the case. I was trying to get a hold of somebody at the with Miss Varela's office to notify them. I don't know if you guys got any word from the adjuster on the case, but it's
I haven't.
You have.
I haven't.
Okay. So the plaintiff's son is also an attorney, And it's my understanding that they signed a release in the case, and that all that's pending is a Medicare inquiry, whether or not they're gonna have to pay Medicare out anything on it. And that's the only thing that's holding it up.
I will message the adjuster and see if they'll let me know. But you know, I had heard that was a discussion, but I think I heard that from you. But that would be good news if we can confirm.
Yeah, that's why I hadn't really been pushing for any more discovery.
I think we do have here.
How quickly can we find that out? Because this case, you know, and I'll take you all at your word on that, but if that's not happening, then I need to get a scheduling order in place. Can we do two weeks?
That works for me.
Okay. All right, we'll set the status conference for 2 weeks. So that puts us, let's do June. Oh, that's a holiday. June 12th, I guess. June 12th.
Okay.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Ms. Varela.
Right.
Thank you, Ms.
Y'all have a
Varela.
good day.
I think
I'll let you know what.
we're good to go.
Okay. Thank you. We'll talk soon.
Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.
You too.
Are we ready on the next one, 3124, Mr. Nunez?
We have Mr. Grossman here. I haven't seen Ms. Lebanati.
So Mr. Morales is here for Ms. Labanati.
Okay, then we're good, Judge.
Okay, let's call it.
Calling docket number 2023 DCV 3124, Ada Rosales et al. Versus Javier Ramsey Hernandez et al. Announcements, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Rolando Morales for plaintiffs.
Bud Grossman for the defendants.
All right, scheduling status conference, gentlemen. Are you all ready for a trial date? Yes, you are.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's do that June trial date since whatever. June 6th trial setting. Again, we will circulate the scheduling order, include sign off on it, include your agreed mediator, return it to the court. You don't have to be here for the entry of that order. Anything outside of those dates, please submit your request via email with your pleading, and we will set you for hearing.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Mr. Grossman, do you have a conflict that you already know of? Are you looking at a calendar?
I'm looking at a calendar, Your Honor. I was faced with 4 trials starting June 3rd, and I'm down to 1, which is much easier to get ready for 1 trial, let alone 4. June 6th, 2025. I show that to be a Friday. Is that
Correct. We select juries on Fridays
I
and start evidence on Monday, unless we can.
I understand. Right now it appears that I'm open. I'll double check to make sure I don't get myself in trouble, but that's what I'm showing. So
Let's nab that date. That'll
Okay.
be if you all find that there is an issue as you're working on the scheduling order, you can look to, I guess, an alternate date of, I'll say June 13th, but that'll come probably close to a holiday. So let's try and keep the 6th.
very well. And Your Honor, just for your benefit, Ms. Labinati and I had actually worked out a scheduling order.
Oh,
and
okay.
we can just move the dates. I'm happy to do that, Mr.
Sure.
Morales, and then recirculate that so we can present that to the court.
Sounds great. Thank you very much. If you don't have anything else for me, you were each excused.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Okay.
We have Ms. Esperanza here for our last case, Judge, page 7. Ms. Esperanza, you on?
Esparza, Mrs. Esparza, I had this one reset.
It was, Your Honor, but I never got an order and I didn't want you to be waiting for us. So I'm just here out of an abundance of caution.
Okay, we'll have to double check. I have the notation here that the continuance was granted, but I only saw that it had the reset date. So
Yes,
I'll double
Your
check
Honor.
on the order.
Yeah, you granted the continuance last week, which is what I was going to tell you. And we just didn't have a date to reset it yet because you wanted those depots taken first.
Oh, okay. I'll look at that and I'll look for the order. Thank you for appearing though.
Of course.
Have a
Thank you.
good day. Take care.
Bye-bye.
That's everyone, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yay. Okay. All right. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Judge.